welcome to Llouell Machines and Novelties. And for today's build series, DIY Wind Vane. Here is a kit. And let's go. Let's open this package. There's a Chinese manual. All good. And let's check the parts. We have 3 half ball styrofoam, 2 double adhesive tape, 1 small wood file, 1 wooden pole, wood part A, and wood part B. The cardinal directions are in Chinese. Next, assembly. For the base, this is already removed. Let's start with this one. Next, let's get the 4 legs. 1, 2. Carefully push to remove. And 4. You can use the wood file to clean up the edges. Then, insert the first leg. Second, third, and fourth. Align the legs. And get the bottom plate. Remove the 4 rings. Clean up the edges. Then align the plate to connect them. And it's done. Next, let's add the wooden pole. Done. Next step, anemometer assembly. First, get these parts. 1, 2, 3. Then the middle piece. Then connect like this. Oh, make sure to connect them properly. Next, we will use this glue to fix the rings. Add a tiny drop of glue. And attach here. Repeat the process. Let it dry first, and let's go to the tail and arrow. First, let's get the arrow, then the tail. Then connect like this. And done. Now, let's finish the anemometer. Add glue to the styroballs. You can also use the double adhesive tapes. Then, spread the glue. And attach to the other side of the arm. Repeat the process and let it dry. Now, let's go to the final assembly. First, get all the small rings. Then one small ring goes here. The ring is very tight, and I need Daddy's help. There you go. Next, the anemometer goes in. Then, another small ring to lock it in place. Daddy is helping me to insert the small ring. And done. Next is Wind Vane's tail and arrow. Insert the small ring. And next is the tail and arrow. Then a small ring to lock it. And we are done. Let's have a quick test using this one. Did you know a wind vane is an instrument that tells you the wind direction? The anemometer is a device used to measure wind speed. Very interesting, right? It's windy. Let's check the wind's current direction. I'll be using my cell phone compass to align the cardinal direction. The wind is pointing to southeast. Look at that! Look! The wind is getting much stronger. Very interesting, right? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video.